Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the computer memory. Computer memory is any physical device capable of storing information temporary or permanent basis. As the word implies, memory means the place where we have to store anything. Memory is very essential part of human being. Just like this, memory is also very important for computer system because in computer system we have to store data or information, and for storing these items we need some memory or space. So that's why we can say that memory is very important part of computer system. A computer has a huge storage capacity. The storage capacity of computer is called its memory. It enables the computer to store data and instructions. As we measure distance in kilometers, time in seconds, weight in kilogram, the memory is measured in bytes. There are various units which are used to measure computer memory. These are shown here. The smallest memory unit in computer is bit. Then byte. 8 bit is equal to 1 byte. Kilobyte 1024 byte is equal to 1 KB. Megabyte 1024 KB equal to 1 MB. Computer memory are classified into two types. Primary memory. Primary memory is also known as main memory, which is located in the motherboard of system, or as we say, which is directly connected to the CPU. It is the place where only little bit of data are stored either by manufacturer or by user. Again, primary memory is further divided into two parts, that is RAM and ROM. Now let us know about RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is volatile in nature. That is, the information stored in RAM is designed to clear when the computer is turned off. It is the main internal storage area that the computer uses to run programs and store data. Information can be read on RAM and written or changed onto it. Hence, it is also called read-write memory. RAM allows the computer to run the software faster. ROM stands for read-only memory. Information can only be read from it and not written or changed onto it. The information it contains is the basic input-output system, which in shortly known as BIOS, which is used to start the operating system. ROM is the built-in memory of a computer. The storage data does not disappear even when the computer is shut down. Thus, it is permanent in nature. Now let us know about secondary memory. The place where the data is stored on a long-term basis is called secondary memory. It is non-volatile in nature, so the information stored is not lost even when the computer is shut down. It is also known as external memory, or we can say backup memory. Now let us know about some of the secondary storage devices. Floppy disk. Floppy disk is a circular magnetic disk enclosed in a square or rectangular shaped plastic body. The data can be read and written with the help of a floppy disk drive. Data can also be transferred from one computer to other by using a floppy disk. Floppy disk is available in two standard sizes, 5.25 inch and 3.5 inch. 5.25 inch, it was the first available floppy disk. It can store data up to 1.2 MB. 3.5 inch, it is much smaller in size. It can store data up to 1.44 MB. A hard disk is similar to a floppy disk, but it can store a large amount of data and provides relatively quicker access. Hard disk is generally fitted inside the system unit. Nowadays, computers are fitted with a hard disk that has storage capacity in terms of gigabytes and terabytes. A hard disk is made up of a collection of disks called platters. These are stacked on a cylindrical rod. Here we can see a picture, the different parts inside the hard disk level here. Compact disk, in shortly it is known as CD, is a small portable round medium disk used for recording, storing and playing audio, video, text and other information in the digital form. It was originally developed to store sound recordings. Later, it also allowed the preservation of other types of data. The storage capacity of a CD is up to 700 MB. Digital Versatile Disk, in shortly it is known as DVD, is a high capacity storage medium. It is mainly used to store movie, music, software, etc. The storage capacity of a DVD is up to 4.7 GB. It looks similar to CD, but due to its high storage capacity, it is not cheaper as CD. To avail the facility of DVD, we must have DVD drive in our computer. DVD drive also gives us the facility to run CD disks also. Types of DVD: DVD-ROM and DVD-RW. Pen drive. It is a small portable storage device shaped like a pen with built-in data storage that connects to a computer by a USB port. It is used for sharing and transferring data. It is small enough to be carried in a pocket. Pen drive is also called thumb drive, flash drive or USB drive.